You'll cast a spell over your guests when you decorate your home with this old witch house sign project from Oak Lane Studio. First, give your wood a fresh base coat using a white primer paint combination and allow to dry. Next, spray the backside of your stencil with some Repositionable Spray Adhesive and wait 30 seconds or so for it to cure. Position your stencil on the sign, ensuring that it's centered left to right and top to bottom. Use frog tape painter's tape around the edges to add extra adhesion. Next, mask off the trim on the hat and also the border stripe above and below the main text. Shake your bottle of Americana Payne Grey acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount on a paper plate. Next, soak the stencil brush bristles thoroughly. Remove excess paint using the edge of the plate and then by swirling the brush on a stack of paper towels. Apply the color using the same swirling motion through the stencil. Paint the text using multiple light coats. Now switch to black and stencil the word Café and the witch's hat using the same technique. Now remove the tape covering the top and bottom lines and mask the elements surrounding them. Pour out some pumpkin spice paint and stencil the lines and the circle elements of the floral designs. Mask off the belt of the hat and paint that with orange as well. Now mask the buckle of the hat and switch to lavender. Also fill in the bubble elements on both sides of the design. Finally, mask off the leaf elements and stencil them using the olive green paint. Lift the tape and peel away the stencil to reveal your bewitching new old witch house sign. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.